morning class. So today we are going to discuss about your fifth unit first lesson, plant a tree. So generally plants are very useful to us. So plants give us oxygen, carbon dioxide. That is the people who are on that is the people who are going around works for another states or another countries or another villages. They come near the tree, they took the shelter under the tree because there is this there is big place under the tree, so they took a rest under the tree. So what happens here, what is the importance of trees, we will learn in this lesson. So generally that is we need carbon dioxide, we need oxygen for breathing. So that is if that is all the oxygen is consumed by us and we breathe out carbon dioxide, then there will be no oxygen in the air and we are not able to live without oxygen. But the trees has a special capacity that the trees take the carbon dioxide and they break down into carbon and oxygen, and they use the carbon for the food material and they give us oxygen for breathing. So it is interchangeable. That is what the trees want, we are giving carbon dioxide, and what the we want, that is the oxygen that is given by trees. So there are many specialities of trees, and what I am telling is uh, trees give us fruits, flowers, wood. So the trees will give us fruits we will eat, and flowers for decorations or for puja, and we all use flowers. And for wood, that is we have our doors and our furniture, that is coming from the wood of the tree, that is a bark of the tree. And some plants gives vegetables also, we cook that vegetables and we will eat. And the next point is oxygen and CO2. That is I have told before that the oxygen comes from the trees and the CO2 is exhaled. And starch, so the important food material of the trees is starch is very important food material. So while we give a carbon dioxide to the trees, the carbon is converted into starch and stored in the trees, so that the trees or the plants utilize that starch and grow. And every year the trees also grow, that is the number of branches increases, number of leaves increases, and there is a one special property called photosynthesis. What is meant by photosynthesis means the preparation of, that is the that is we prepare our food by taking vegetables or fruits and we will cook and we will eat, or we will eat directly. But how plants prepare their food, the plants prepare their food by starch, that is photosynthesis. By using sunlight, these plants, what they do is they utilize the sunlight and occur dark and light reactions, and food is prepared in the form of starch or cellulose, and it is consumed and it increases its size, that is increases in branches, increases in leaves, increases in bark and all. So this is a specialty how the trees prepare their food. And that is many trees, that is the average man can live 100 years, and nowadays for the food and all every people are dying at 60 or 70 years or minimum 80 years. But these trees can live thousands of and thousands of years. That is many trees, like some trees in USA and all, they live 6,000 years and they give shelter to many people in their service. That is 6,000 years is not a simple one. 6,000 years means it is a very back of tree, it is now still alive and it is giving oxygen to all the people. So now what I am telling is everyone should plant at least a one tree, so that we will get oxygen and we will live happily. And what happen is, if deforestation occurs daily, there will be no trees and there will be a tsunamis and all. And if we plant a tree by that is, if we plant a tree and if we pour a water, that tree becomes big, and it will help us in that is, it is taking in oxygen. And there are some medicinal plants also, like neem, eucalyptus and all. These are the medicinal plants, that is, these the parts of these plants are used for medicines, that is to cure some diseases. Neem is a very good medicinal plant available here, so that during our chicken pox or something, the neem leaves are kept under us, so that by that medicinal activity this chicken pox will go. And that is we have birthdays for many, that is for year to year, and we will celebrate by cutting cakes and all. Do trees also have birthdays? And do trees, we can say that this tree is of this many years? Yes. That is, while cutting the trees there are rings, so every year the rings will become that is, for this year we have suppose 10 rings, for next year it will become 11, and next year 12. So by counting that rings also, we can probably tell the age of that tree. So here, by that only, the researchers told that this trees lives to 100,000 and some years. So this is all about the trees, and trees are very important. So this is all about the trees, fruits, flowers, oxygen. So this is all about this lesson. Hope you understand. Thank you.